So guys, we're gonna start by cleaning up our fish. And so right now I have my kitchen shear and I'm removing the fins and other unnecessary parts that I will not be needing. At this point, I reach for my fish scaler and I'm just gonna use it to remove the remaining of scales that are on the fish. And so guys, this is why it's very important to, clean your fishes. Even though they come from the store clean as what is stated, you have to do a second cleaning because look at the belly of this fish. You have to clean all of that out. And now guys, both fishes are cleaned, and so I went ahead and on both sides I did a light slice, and this is to help in the steaming process so that all the seasoning can penetrate. Moving over to my cutting board, I have all my natural season lined out. I will not be using any powder seasoning, just natural seasoning like my garlic, my scotch bonnet pepper, my yellow, green, and red bell peppers, thyme, escallion that I chopped in half, and some sliced carrots as well. Salt is a plus and a must because that's what's gonna give the flavor to the fish. Can't do without my scotch bonnet pepper sauce. This is full of flavor guys and is a must in my kitchen. So guys, now I reach for my salt and began to sprinkle all over the fish. This is plain salt, and I'm gonna open the areas just to get the salt in there because we want our fish to taste really good. Many people use fish seasoning, but I rather go this way. Then I'm gonna start with my garlic, and just to put that in the sides, the belly area, because you want your fish to be flavorful, and garlic is full of flavor. So I'm just stuffing those into the sides so that it can be marinated into the fish. And then guys, you're gonna see me just stuffing the fish with all the seasoning on my cutting board. so you can just watch along, guys. So guys, as you can see, the fish, it has been marinating for the past 30 minutes. And so in this pot here on the stove, I put some butter and it has melted. So what I'm gonna do is lower the fish just like it is right now, just like this, guys, and then I'm gonna put it down into the pot just like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one, but we're gonna turn the fish upside down, as if one head is up and the other is down. So basically they're gonna be head and tail, just like this, guys. See, just like that. And what I'm doing is just take the remaining vegetable and just to put it in the pot onto the fish like that. And so I'm just gonna cover this pot and I'm gonna let it stay there. I'm gonna come and check on it in 15 minutes time. So I'll see you in 15 minutes time, guys. So guys, while the fish is being steamed, I have here in this container some okras, and so I am about to get them cleaned. So as you can see now, I take one of the okra out. Let me pull it up a little bit. Then I'm just gonna remove this part here, the stem, and also the little end. So just like that. And I'm just gonna put that aside. Then I do the others the same exact way. See, you just remove the stem and also the little tip. And guys, if you enjoy eating okra, let me know, or if you like your steamed fish with okra, let me know. Either way, how do you like eating your okra? For me, I enjoy eating my okra both steamed with the fish and also by itself. It's really enjoyable. So, tailor-made design, this one is for you. So I'm also giving you a shout out, tailor-made. This dish specifically is for you. So here, as you can see guys, I finished. I'm just gonna put back the okras into the container where I'm gonna give it a good wash. So guys, it's now 50 minutes from the last time I had put the fish into the pot. So now I'm going to check to see what's going on. And so guys, we can see that everything is looking really good. Let me go for my pot holder because I don't want to get burned. So everything is going good. I love what I'm seeing. I really do. So in this case, you have to be very careful, as you don't want to break the fish, right? So you have to be very careful. As you can see, I'm using my spoon just to bring the liquid from the bottom. I'm pouring it onto the top of the fishes, and it's really, I really like what's going on here. Beautiful, and the smell is lovely. So right now my burner is on medium, so you know, in that way your fish is marinating at the same time while steaming. Guys, I just wish. And guys, you don't need to pour no water. You don't need to pour no water into your fish. This is the way you steam fish. This is the right way you steam fish, right? You see that, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave again for another 15 minutes, and then afterwards, the next video you see, guys, I will be presenting this fish. So guys, in this little saucepan that I have here, I'm gonna put some butter, and this is where I'll be doing my okra. You will see, guys, the way how I do it. I'm just putting a little butter. This is good. So now, guys, I'm about to just empty my okra in this saucepan. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue to flip back and forth until the okra is medium done. I will not let it be softened. I do not let it soften. I just let it be medium, like in between hard and soft. have it, guys. Steamed fish with okras and 3 Jamaican water crackers on the side. And guys, I hope you like this video. If you do so, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, give me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn the post notification bell on so you'll be the first one to know when my new video is up. Yes, guys, I know many people like to have their tough crackers with the fish steaming, but this is another way of doing it, and this is the way I like it. Guys, if you want to see me do more dishes like these, please subscribe to my channel and remember to turn the post notification bell on so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you all right here, and then I will see you in my next video. I just want you to know that I love you and I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.